really good. Meow. Oh, it's that feeling of opening up a pack of Pokemon cards. Every kid in the world should experience that. I'll keep this forever. I just realized this Pokemon card is in Spanish. It's a Dia de Pago. Gara Chucharazo. Even though she's really short, everything else about her is just like me and you. She's literally the same as any friend that I've ever had back home. She'll be really short. Next time you come to America, call me. I'll show you my house. Yeah. Yeah, send me a message. My wife would like to meet you. There's you. And there's Sultan.
Another one.
Playing a board game that she likes. It's like cool.
Another one.
Why am I cheating?
Another one.
Oh, I need to keep it back?
Nabung na.
Oy!
I don't like
Uy!
moving. Been playing for
Ang
like...
kaan gapon. Ito ba kayo kaan ma?
Kaan, ining! Kaan! Ah! Shh! 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 Shh!
Tabang siya.